Good morning and happy Monday. It's Memorial Day today. I'm ready to work out, but I wanted to clean up real quick or clean up some before the boys wake up because they're off of school because it's already summertime, but it's also Memorial Day. So Alfredo's at the shop and I was sweeping the back room. I like to sweep where Chloe's at first thing in the morning to get rid of the hair, especially when the boys are home, because they'll come back here and stuff and then drag the hair around the house. I started to give her this liquid, this like salmon oil on her food that's supposed to help with shedding. We're probably on week 3 of it. I want to show y'all what I picked up today. This is what I picked up from 2 days. Like the last time I swept was Friday because of the party, and then Saturday we were gone and Sunday we were gone, so I really didn't get much cleaning done. And so this is 2 days. This is amazing because typically that would be overflowing with like a huge ball of hair bigger than my head. If I hadn't swept for 2 days, it would be ridiculous. So that shows much improvement. They say that you'll start seeing results after 4 weeks. But I did give her a bath last week, and I gave her a bath on Thursday. So she got a bath on Thursday, and she's been doing that. So I think the bath helped a lot. So I'm not going to say like it's but maybe I definitely think it's helping. I'm noticing a little bit of a difference. We'll see where we're at like at the end of the month, 2 months. They say like there's like minimal to no shedding come like the 4-month mark. Wild Alaskan salmon and pollock oil. I'm not really sure what the pollock oil is, but anywho, it's like a large amount of omega-3 fatty acids to help with their skin and coat. I thought she was in like 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually is what I should be doing. I just saw the weight on here. So I should be giving her at least 5 to 7 pumps. I was giving her 3 pumps, which I thought was going to be sufficient enough. So
yeah, actual Blackstone cover.
what are your cords? What are your cords? And what's the negatives? Yeah. All done. Okay, I want to share something with y'all that I just did. Good morning, by the way. I don't think I talked to y'all. I submitted a ticket to try to get these repaired, even though we're past the warranty window, because his mic hasn't been working for a long time, and I just fixed them by one simple little thing. So I want to show y'all. So if your kids have an Oculus and you have this problem come up, I'm going to show you how I fixed it, and maybe y'all have the same problem. On either side, this is apparently their audio output. These little tiny pinholes on either side of the Oculus. And one of these little suckers was clogged. And I unclogged it by just using this to get the gunk out. And don't mind how dirty this is. It's disgusting. And it fixed the problem. I went into one of the worlds that he goes into, and I talked to some little kids, and I said, "Can you hear me?" And they're like, "Yeah, we can hear you." And I asked 3 different ones, and they could all hear me. So I fixed it. Who doesn't like a package first thing in the morning? I know I do. I don't know if like Target is doing now what trying to compete with Amazon, because I've been getting it like the next day, and I think it's because they're just picking up. I just noticed it was like a normal car. It wasn't like a U.S. Postal Service or anything like that dropping off. And I think it's because they're hiring people like Amazon drivers, and they're just picking up from other stores and getting them delivered. Look at how cute this little beach bag is. It says Gone Coastal. These were on sale over the holiday weekend. So it's normally $30, it was $24. And then this dress I had gone for pictures, but ended up being too snug. But I liked it, so I ended up getting it in a small instead of an extra small. And yeah, let me show you the other dress I got. This is a dress on. I really like this little neckline, and it's like a plissé, I think is how you say it, dress. And it doesn't have any pockets or anything, It does, it does have a little slip back here. Ah, I think it's a very flattering dress, like the way it lays. It's super cute. I also got this dress during the sale, and it's like a, what is this called? It's smocked on top, but it fits really big. I don't know if you can tell. I'm wearing an extra small, but what I'm gonna do, I love it so much that I'm not going to get rid of it. I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna bring it in the side. So I'll put a little seam on either side to just make it more snug, because I don't know why it's doing this weird situation. I'm also wearing black underwear, so you can see it's pretty see-through. But I got these shorts from Ross the other day, and they're a size medium because that's all they had. This and a black pair came in a pack. I put these under, like when I'm wearing dresses, short dresses that I don't want anything to show, but also like these dresses that are kind of see-through. These are perfect to have because you don't see any undergarments. I was styling this dress from Walmart the other day, and it's super see-through, so those were perfect underneath those. We got new lounger covers, or lounger cushions. I'm gonna break them open and put them out there. They look cute. I just put up one. I'm gonna change into a bathing suit and put the other one on. And I'm gonna take a little dip in the pool. It looks nice. Okay, you wanna get in the water, Chloe? I just got back from Tum Tum from getting some stuff for dinner. I have hiccups. And I found Prime lemonade, which apparently is new. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge for them. Is anyone else's kids obsessed with Prime? Hello amigas and happy Thursday. It is hair day for me today. So I'm about to get in the shower. I'm not going to do my hair. I'm not going to wash my hair, I don't think. I want to do like a cute transition video and maybe like have my long hair and then my after, but I don't want to wash my hair. I don't want to do all that, and she's going to wash my hair anyway, so there's no point of me going through the trouble of washing it and styling it to just get it washed and cut and styled there. So I worked out, I just ate. I'm making Angelo something to eat because he is awake, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and get myself ready. It is June 1st, which is my birthday month, and the last 2 years I've been doing an outfit of the day for the entire month of June that I post on TikTok. So essentially doing 30 days of outfits. So I'm going to try to do that again this year. I've got a lot on my plate happening the next few weeks, but hopefully I can get it done. And also we take a vacation for my birthday, so it should be interesting, but I'm going to definitely try to stick through it. It's gone. Cut it all off. Thankfully. Look at how cute. I love it. It's a little bit shorter. It's a little bit shorter in the back. Tiny bit, like a tiny bit as an angle, but not by much. I have to show y'all yesterday's fiesta salad. These are leftovers that Aiden's eating. I'm gonna make those salads for me. I'm about to watch YouTube. Because Alfredo's working at his mom's house, and so he won't be home till later, but every time I look at my hair, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Good morning, amigas, and happy Friday. I just finished working out, and I'm gonna make myself breakfast, and then I have to get ready for the day because I'm doing 30 days of outfits, so I need to make sure I put myself together. And I've been starting to get some of the stuff I ordered for Angelo's party. This is the black and white checkered backdrop that we're actually going to put on the fence because it's a pool party, with smiley faces, and I'm going to make that tassel garland that's made out of plastic tablecloths. So actually I'm going to go to the dollar store today, now that I think about it, because I need to get started on that, especially if I want to make it full. I don't want to like make it last minute. I should work on it now because the party's next weekend. So I just made everybody breakfast. I've already eaten, and I think I'm going to go to the dollar store because I want to go find, oh, this is my little outfit. I actually did an outfit of the day with a romper like this, but it's long, with platforms, and I'm not gonna wear that because I'm not gonna wear platforms. But I just changed the romper because I've got this cropped one. This is old from Old Navy, but I did this whole little outfit, just different romper, different black romper and heels. So I'm gonna go change my shoes, and then I'm gonna go to the dollar store. Oh, and Walgreens, because I want to buy some press-on nails. I'm gonna wear them for the weekend, and then I'm gonna switch my nails to the ones I got for the party. And then I'm actually gonna get my nails done for the vacation, I think. Look at my hair. Look at how cute. I washed it, and this is me styling it for the first time myself. I really like the way Velia styled it yesterday, but I'll get the hang of it. That always happens when I get a haircut. Like, I don't really know how to style it the first couple of days, and then I get the hang of it on how I like it. Here, Chloe is barking. But I was about to take everything out, and then I realized I need to make this video. So from Walmart, I got this shirt that Angelo is going to wear. Well, he's really going to be wearing a bathing suit, but I'm just going to throw this little shirt because I had the little checkered print, which is his theme, and it just says happy mind, happy life. 3 bags of the balloons in the color of the theme at Walmart. These were $1 each. Candles in these like neon color. 3 packs of the white and black in case I needed extra. From the dollar store, I got this. It glows in the dark, and it kind of looks like Jason, which is cool. Okay, it's about to die. I got jump rope. I got water balloons. I got hula hoops. Look at the red. I got some streamers to be part of the garland I'm gonna do.
No, actually,
Napkins.
Look. This what I found. This what I found.
More tablecloths.
Stop.
And that's it.
Stop. Look.
Oh, and this ball. I found this ball. No, yeah. Oh.
Period.
He said, say what you just said. What just material girl. A little mock up of what I'd want like the centerpieces to look like. And so I realized I practiced with this one. These, I was gonna do black and white balloons to make this like checkered pattern, and then put a balloon in the middle like this, and somehow either weigh it down or tape it to the tables as like the centerpieces. But I'm glad I practiced because I'm gonna make the balloons smaller next time when I blow them up. And then I'm thinking about getting like a straw and putting this in the straw and making it higher, because I don't want it to look like a flower, which is what it's looking like right now. But we shall see. But here's my little mock-up. I just drew the face on the yellow balloon. You can see it better like this now that I grabbed it. But yeah. I'm doing the strips for the tassel garland. This is how it's coming along. I don't have yellow tablecloth, so I'm using streamer. But I think it's gonna be cute.